Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload media at the highest quality on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the page. Tap to the settings and privacy option and go to the your app and media section. Here you can find the data usage and media quality section, and here you can find the upload at highest quality option, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.